Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you just landed here, do me a favor, smash the like, smash the subscribe, be greatly appreciated. All right, guys, I want to do an update on Kusama. Since this is a coin that long term, right now I'm short term, I'm bearish on Kusama, but long term I'm bullish on. I think this is going to be a really good performer in the next bullish sequence for the cryptocurrency market. Seeing it did a massive wave run, it's coming down to do its second and going into the third. So right now, let's take a look at this correction, what Kusama is doing. In my opinion, right now, Kusama is winding up a fifth wave move. You can see from here up into here. So it's a zigzag type move. So it'd be A, B, C. And then to break this down, you can see 1, 2, 3, a fourth wave, which a typical fourth waves look like that. And now it's finishing up this fifth wave move. And what I did is you can see on this fifth wave move, let me go down to a 4-hour chart. This parallel channel, it's pretty much following this parallel channel exactly after it came out of that fourth wave move right here. And this is the fifth wave move. So if you use the channel method, which at times they do work, this would be a 2, this is the 3, that's the 4, and Kusama's coming down likely for a 5 at about probably $35 more or less, or something like that, guys. And then if you take a look at that in the RSI, on let me go to the 8-hour for that. The RSI data for this fifth wave move, you can see that's third wave dump right there. So more than likely here, your first, second, and then there's your third wave, and it's coming up on that fourth already, and then swinging back down on the fifth wave. Okay, and then this is lower because this is the third, the main third or primary third wave right here. And then you can see this is the fifth. It'll come down here in the RSI, and then you'll see and notice what it's making right here is some bullish divergence. Okay, next thing that I want to go over and take a look at, just looking at the correction, you know, I had the 786 Fibonacci levels where I was expecting to hit, and it looks like that's about $36. And then the area for that fifth wave, it looks like it's going to go there. So right now, in my opinion, Kusama's coming up to finish either correction and then going into its next bullish move, or it's going to be a corrective move and back down. You have to keep that in the back of your mind. Now, just looking at the correction overall, you take its peak and you go all the way down, it finishes a correction right there. It's a 94% retracement, and it can go all the way down, which would be 96. It can go down to the $24 areas. I do have this area down here just because this is the fourth wave over here, primary fourth wave, and they do like to come to these areas, guys. So you want to be aware of that too. So that's another significant drop from here to here. Okay. As far as a retracement, for a second wave retracement, the Fibonacci levels are not good because it's only at that 0.382. But if you take it off a log for a second wave, things start to look a lot better right there, you know, well beyond 90% on arithmetic scale for that. So things are looking really, really good for Kusama. So Kusama, in my opinion, is going to be at a moment of truth when it's coming up to finish this correction, guys. So other than that, everything is looking really, really good for Kusama. It's has a lot more, you know, it's a safe coin. What I mean is that it has a lot more space to go before people really need to get concerned about this coin. Another reason I like it is because of the limited supply. But once it finishes up a correction and you're picking it up down here, which, not financial advice, I would still be very, very careful with any altcoins in the cryptocurrency market right now with the current market conditions going on. It'll be able to break all-time highs. And then I have a target up there of $900 for a coin like this. So everything's looking good for Kusama. So far, so good. It's not doing anything out of the ordinary or completely unusual. Just one word of caution on the logarithmic retracement. I do think it's a little bit shallow, but this did a massive, massive wave run up here. Okay. And if you take a look at some of these retracements, they are kind of shallow for Kusama. So it's not too much of a concern yet. Thanks for watching. Peace.